Hey friends, welcome. We are checking out the Nortiv 8 steel toe cowboy boots for men. These are engineered with Goodyear welt construction. These work boots excel in durability, sturdiness, waterproofing, and longevity. The full grain leather upper, combined with an oil and slip resistant rubber lug outside, ensures exceptional grip and long lasting wear. Designed to keep you moving with ease, these work boots feature a steel shank for support and shock absorption, minimizing fatigue in your feet. The wide square toe and breathable Ortholite insole deliver comfort so you can stay focused on the task. Combining the rugged appeal of Western design with modern comfort innovations, these men's industrial boots are versatile enough for any work setting, from construction sites to ranches and factories. The pull loop design allows for quick and easy on and off, while the splash resistant upper ensures your feet stay dry in both indoor and outdoor environments.